Forget about soft drinks and potato chips. This vending machine in Singapore serves up Ferraris and Lamborghinis. With slots for up to 60 luxury cars, Autobahn Motors hopes its 15-story showroom will stand out above the competition. On the ground floor, customers select the vehicle they want to see on a touchpad. A video detailing the car's history and specifications plays in the background while a complex retrieval system fetches the car within 2 minutes.
This particular car is very special, having been delivered new to the United States to its original owner, Reginald Sinclair, and has accrued just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, which are believed to be original to this car.
The car then rotates on display until the customer makes another selection, sending the platform back upstairs. Autobahn says it chose this vending machine format to work around Singapore's land squeeze, creating a system better suited for the available vertical space. According to the company's general manager, Autobahn's vehicle management technology has attracted the attention of developers interested in using it for parking garages.